So what is the difference between an at-fault and a no-fault state? So let's start with at-fault. Texas is an at-fault state. That means the driver that caused the accident has to pay for the other person's injuries, which makes common sense, right? If someone steps on your toe, hey, what the heck, right? You have to fix it, right? General principle. Now, some states have switched that approach up, mainly to just kind of lighten up the amount of car accident cases that are in court, such as New York, for example. So in New York, it's a no-fault state. So regardless of who caused the accident, whether you caused it or someone else caused it, you go after your own insurance company. And then usually these states have a serious injury threshold. So if your injuries are severe enough or permanent in nature, you'll then be able to collect from your own insurance company and then go after the other driver as well. So then it turns into an at-fault afterwards. It's whether or not you need to hire an attorney, for example, in a no-fault state. Probably less likely unless you have a severe injury, versus in an at-fault state, you almost have to, because if they deny fault, for example, you're not going to get your car fixed, right? If it's a he said, she said, and you're right, but the insurance company is denying it, you're going to have to sue them, right? And there's pros and cons to each of them, but that's why having an attorney, regardless of any state, is always the best idea.